In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay with Chime virtual card in store. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Chime app on your mobile device, and then over here on the home screen, down below at the left, as you can see, I've blurred all my info, but where you want to go is at the very top left where you can see this gear icon. So click on that, click on the gear icon, and then after you click on that, you'll see the settings. Now inside settings, you want to scroll down until you find the debit card option. So this is the debit card section. And over here, you first must allow transactions. So make sure this over here is toggled on, so it's green. And then if you want to do international transactions, of course, you want to do this as well. So you want to toggle that one too. After you do this, you simply want to click on view your card, and then you're gonna see your Chime Visa card over here. Now to actually pay with the virtual card in store, what you can do is as it says over here. So you can add it to your mobile wallet for in-store purchases. What this means is, in case you are an Apple user, you can use Apple Pay, open up Apple Pay, add your card, and when you want to add your card, you just want to use the info over here, which on this screen it's blurred right now, but of course you'll be able to still see it when you open up this page in your app. So simply put in your information to your Apple Pay. But if you are a Google user or Android user, of course, you can use Google Pay for that. And in there, you can add your card as well. Just put in your information, such as the card number, expiry date, as well as the CVV or CVC. And then after you do that, you can simply pay with your phone using either Apple Pay or Google Pay. So basically using NFC on your phone, you can just go to the POS terminal and then pay via that, and it will charge you off this virtual card. Just mind you, it says the card will be disabled when you activate your new physical card, so just be cautious because this will then not work anymore. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.